Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we were discussing about replacement analysis. In that, we have covered types of failure, and then we studied uh, the replacement analysis of item which deteriorate with time. There is an additional case to that. Over the period of time, the item will deteriorate, and along with that the value of money will also change. But as it will take too much time to cover that part, we are going to skip that portion. Generally we will not get a question on uh, the case of replacement analysis for item that deteriorate with time, along with or considering change in the value of money. Okay, so we are going to skip that and we will proceed with the third bit, that is a replacement of item that fails suddenly. So there is a sudden failure. So in yesterday's lecture, I have told you there are some items like electronics item, uh, we cannot predict or we cannot say that over the period of time they will deteriorate. The functioning efficiency will decrease. Instead of that, they will just stop working. So in industry or in any organization, there are some items that do not deteriorate with time. Instead, they fail all of the sudden, resulting in heavy loss to the organization. Okay, so which is why it is very important to know in advance what could be the likely possibility of failure of the those kind of item जो sudden failure होते, उसका कुछ probability मिल सकता है क्या, उसका कुछ prediction कर सकते हैं क्या, so that we know prevention is always better than cure. So we can plan a preventive actions for those all of a sudden failure item. Now, how to do that? With the past experience, we prepare a probability distribution that over the period of time, these items are going to fail in this manner. Now, this is just a speculation or just a expectation. Okay. So, here our ultimate aim is to find out a optimal time T, after which we are going to do a preventive replacement. Okay, now in that case, we study two types of policies. One is individual replacement policy, which means as soon as the item fails, we replace it. Okay, so immediately after its failure, the item has been replaced. Okay, second policy is group replacement policy. So in the group replacement policy, all items, जितने भी आइटम्स अवेलेबल है, फॉर एग्जांपल आपके फर्म में या फिर वर्क प्लेस में देयर आर 100 लाइट बल्ब्स. In group replacement policy, all 100 light bulbs are going to be replaced, irrespective of whether they are failed or not. वो working condition में भी होंगे bulbs, we just replace them. So this is a case of group replacement policy. Now in group replacement policy, it doesn't mean that कि भाई अगर एक बल्ब खराब हुआ तो भी नहीं चेंज करेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे कि 2 वीक खत्म होने के बाद all bulbs are going to be changed. ऐसा नहीं है. In group replacement policy, it's a combination of individual replacement policy. That means during the working condition, anytime any item fails, तभी उसका रिप्लेसमेंट तो होने ही वाला है. As soon as it fails, we are going to replace it. But along with that, there will be some period of time T. It will be decided by the decision maker or manager कि भाई after period of time T, we are going to replace all items. Okay, now during this tenure, assume that this T time is 10 weeks. T time is a 10 weeks. So during this 10 weeks, कि भाई पहले वीक में 2 बल्ब्स खराब हो गए. Okay, two bulbs are short. So we are going to replace that also. In second week, assume that there are 10 bulbs, okay, dead 10 bulbs. So we are going to replace those 10 bulbs, but after 10 weeks we are going to replace all the bulbs. जितने भी bulbs available होंगे, जो working condition में हो या फिर obsolete or dead हो, all we are going to replace. So that is the group replacement policy. In individual replacement policy, आपका एक बल्ब शॉर्ट हुआ, आप एक बल्ब रिप्लेस करोगे. You will work in this way. In group replace policy, we are going to do that also. As soon as the item fails, we are going to replace it. But along with that, after some period of time, we are going to replace all items. Sometimes it will feel that it is economical. Let's see, we'll go through some examples and look into the individual replacement policy and group replacement policy. Then we will see how the group replacement policy may be economical than the individual replacement policy. So let's take one example. Find the cost per period. So here period is a week of individual replacement policy of an installation of 300 light bulbs. Given the following: number one, cost of replacing an individual bulb is ₹2. एक बल्ब रिप्लेस करने की कॉस्ट है ₹2. Then with the past experience, the table for conditional probability of failure is prepared. So ये टेबल में दिया है कि भाई after sorry at the end of 0th week there will be zero probability of failure. Yes, zero first week है तो कुछ failure नहीं हो रहा. As soon as the first week in, there is a probability of 10% of failure. Then after 2 week, at the end of 2 week, around 30% of bulbs will be failed. At the end of third week, 70% of the initial bulbs are going to be dead. And at the fourth week, at the end of fourth week, 100% जितने भी आपने लगाए थे 300 bulbs, all are failed. So this is just conditional probability of failure. Okay, so I hope you understood this. And we have been asked to calculate two things. First is find the cost per period of individual replacement policy. ठीक है, हर एक वीक के बाद कितना खर्चा लगने वाला है. And second thing, also calculate number of light bulbs that would fail during each of the 4 weeks. So how many bulbs we are going to replace in each week? We need to calculate it. Okay, so let's look at this. First thing, okay. First here we are going to look at how this bulb will work. ये probability से how do we calculate exactly how many bulbs are going to fail in that particular period. Okay, so assume that instead of 300, just for the sake of understanding, assume that there are 10 number of bulbs in the organization. Okay, we are going to calculate probability of failure in the ith week. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. अपने पास total 4 weeks है. So probability of failure in that particular week we will calculate. Okay, so in the first 0th week, एक भी bulb fail नहीं हो रहा. That is the beginning of the week. So we have fitted 300 bulbs and all are in working condition. So at 0th week, no failure. But in the week 1, जैसे ही complete हुआ, due to the probability of failure is 0.1, one bulb is dead. Okay, so that means probability कितना है 0.1. ठीक है, same, almost same. Now see, at the end of second week, 30% of the bulbs are dead. ओके, सो बहुत बार मिस्टेक क्या होता है स्टूडेंट का, दे टेक P2 equal to 0.3, but it is wrong. P2 is probability of failure in the ith week. That means in that second week only. Okay, in that second week, how many bulbs are going to be dead? कितने खराब होने वाले और फेल होने वाले बल्ब्स, वो कैलकुलेट करना है. दिस 0.3 नंबर रिप्रेजेंट कि भाई सेकंड वीक में आपने जो इनिशियल स्टार्टिंग लाइट बल्ब्स की थी ना, उसमें से कितने खत्म हो रहे. सो 0.3, दैट मीन्स in the second week, only 2 bulbs are going to be dead, because already the first bulb is dead in the week number 1, is failed in the week number 1. Now see कितना है 0.3 और 30%, so 10 में से 1 2 and 3, right, 0.3, but first bulb is failed in week number 1. So in week number 2, obviously there will be only 2 bulbs that those are going to be failed. Okay, so probability of failure in the second week is 2, not 3. Okay, P2 is 0.2. Now we will calculate P3. Now see, in the P3 मतलब third week में 70% of the bulb are dead. मतलब यहाँ में से 4 bulbs should be dead, so that becomes 7, total 7. So P3 is in the third week, how many bulbs are going to be failed? 4. And in the last week कितने बचे, हमने start किया था 10 से, now we are having only 3 bulbs. So in the fourth week, all 100% bulbs are failed, right? So the probability of failure in the fourth week is 0.3. Okay, now there may be some confusion in some of the numerical. So कभी भी क्या करना है आपको, चेक करो in the last week, if they have given the probability of failure as 100%, okay, 100%, so आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, subtract करते जाना पड़ता है. You need to go in this way. In the 0th week 0, in the first week 0.1, in the second week 0.3 minus 0.1 previous one, so you got 0.2, 0.7 minus 0.3, that becomes 0.4, 1 minus 0.7, we have 0.3. So this way you can calculate probability. In some of the numerical, they will provide you this data directly. Okay, so in that case, don't do the subtraction. Okay, look at the last value, last probability, that is not 100% or 1. Probability is not 1. That means आपको as it is data लेना है, as it is data लेना है. If the probability of last week has been given as a 1, that means आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, subtraction करके जाना पड़ता है. You need to calculate individual week में कितना failure आ रहा है. You need to calculate how much is the failure in the that particular corresponding week. Okay, so I hope you understood this probability of ith week. Okay, so we have written down this here. Next we will calculate average life of bulb. कि भाई normally हम 300 bulbs use करने वाले, तो generally एक bulb का on an average, because some of the bulbs are going to be dead in the first week, some of the bulbs are going to fail in second week, third week and fourth week. Okay, so fourth week तक तो 100% fail होने ही वाले. So on an average, what will be the life of a bulb? Okay, so how do we calculate that? So we need to multiply this probability with time, so that we will get average lifetime life. Okay, so 0,0, that means 0th week into 0 probability plus 1 week तक जाने की probability कितना है, 0.1. 2 week 2 वीक में डेड होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 0.2। 3 वीक्स रन होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है और फेल होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 0.4 एंड 4th वीक में डेड होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी है 0.3। okay, so do this summation, you will get 2.9 weeks. So on an average within 2.9 weeks the bulb is going to be failed. So average life of a bulb is 2.9. So some of them will go be beyond 2.9, some of them will be below the 2.9 weeks, but overall average it will be 2.9 week. Okay, now average number of failure per week. So on an average, we are not calculating individual week average, that we are going to calculate in the next slide. Right now we are just calculating average number of failure per week. So we started with 300 bulbs, okay, and average life of a bulb is 2.9. So on an average the failure per week will be 300 divided by 2.9. So that comes around 103. So average per week we are going to replace 103 bulbs. Okay, but some of them in the first week it will be less than 103, and in some week it will be more than 103, but average 103 replacement will be there. Okay, so we need to calculate what will be the average cost for these replacement. So we know that 2 rupees is required for one individual bulb ka replacement, and on an average we are going to replace 103 bulbs per week. So the cost of individual replacement is 2 into 103, so that becomes 206 per week. So rupees 206 per week, that is your cost of replacement. तो इतना खर्चा लगने वाला है per week. So that was the first question, find the cost per period. तो आपका आंसर आया 206 per week. Okay, next at the last line they have asked us to calculate कि भाई per week exactly they want to know how many failure or how many replacement we need to do in that particular week. हर एक week में कितना replacement होगा. Okay, so we will calculate that expected number of failure. So we'll start with first 0th week. That on that week we are going to replace all 300 bulbs. Okay, so at the start we are going to start with 300 bulbs. So failure kitna is 0 because probability is 0, right? After that, in the first week, out of these 300 bulbs 10% are going to be failed, 0.1, right? So n1 expected number of or expected replacement in that week कितना होने वाले. We had 300 bulbs, out of which 1 week complete हुआ है, तो 0.1 प्रोबेबिलिटी है उसका, या 10% प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो डेड होने वाले, फेल होने वाले. So 300 into 0.1. So how many failure? 30 failures in that week. Okay, now थोड़ा इक्वेशन एक्सटेंड होते जाएगा, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होते जाएगा. ओके, नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. अगर ये समझ में आया तो आगे का पार्ट आपको यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो नाउ सी, लुक एट वीक नंबर 2. वीक नंबर 2 पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते. इन द वीक नंबर 2 द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फेल्योर इज 0.2. ओके, फ्रॉम द अर्लियर 300 बल्ब्स. सो हमने जो स्टार्ट किया था ना 300 बल्ब से, उसमें से, ठीक है, उसमें से जो भी बचे हैं उसका 0.2 लाइफ है और प्रोबेबिलिटी है. प्लस in the previous week, that is at the end of week number 1, we have 30 failed bulbs. That means we have replaced 30 bulbs in the week number 1. Now these 30 bulbs have completed 1 week of life. एक वीक खत्म हुआ और हमें पता है एक वीक में फेल्योर होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना है, 0.1. सो दैट मीन्स आउट ऑफ दिस 30 बल्ब्स जो न्यूली लास्ट वीक में ही हमने लगाए हैं, उसमें से भी क्या होगा, 1 week कंप्लीट हुआ तो इसमें से 10% bulbs are going to be failed. Okay, so please reply in the chat window that you understood this concept, क्योंकि अगर ये समझ में आया तो आगे का पार्ट बहुत इजी लगेगा आपको. Please let me know if you understood this concept of calculating failure in the second week. I'll show you the direct calculation part. So failure is 63 in the second week. Okay. So no one wants me to repeat it. Yes, great. So understood. So similarly, we will calculate for N3. Now N3 के लिए हमने स्टार्ट किया था 300 से, उसमें से थर्ड वीक में probability of failure is 0.4 plus in the first week we have replaced 30 bulbs. So उनका लाइफ 2 week कंप्लीट हुआ है, 2 week मतलब probability is 0.2 plus in the last week, that means in the end at the end of second week we have replaced 63 bulbs. Now that the third week is ended, that means इन्होंने the 63 bulbs have completed 1 week of life, and we know that the probability of failure is 0.1 for 1 week. So out of the 63 bulbs, 10% of bulbs are going to be failed. So these many replacement we need to do in at the end of third week. Okay, so if you put all the values in here, the value N3 is 132. So failure, total failure, or one can say total replacement at the end of third week will be 132. इतने bulbs आपको वो week में change करने पड़ेंगे. Similarly N4, fourth week में we started with 300 bulbs. The probability of failure is 0.3. N1, that is 30 into P3, उन्होंने 3 week complete किए successfully, so 0.4 or 40% will be failed from that lot. Okay, so similarly N2 is 63. They have completed 2 week of time, so probability of failure is 0.2 plus N3, these 132 bulbs have completed 1 week of time, so probability is 10% of failure. Okay, so you can do the calculation, and calculate what will be the N4 value, कितने replacement करने पड़ेंगे in fourth week. So one Yash has calculated it, 128. So approximately 128 replacement will be there. Okay, so I hope you have understood the expected, how to calculate expected number of failure in that particular week. Now in this numerical, we are going to cover recap on individual replacement policy, as well as we will see how to work with group replacement policy. So please take the screenshot of this question problem statement. Read the problem statement and then we will work on it. Okay, so I assume that you have read at least one time the problem statement. Again, we will look into the problem statement and understand what are the things given and what are the things we need to find. So first thing, we are dealing with 1000 bulbs. Okay, then end of the week, they have given the failure, probability of failure to the date at that time. So at the end of first week, 0.09, that means 9% of bulbs are going to be failed. At the end of second week, 25%. Okay, so see, look at the last value at the end of 6 week, all 100% bulbs are going to be failed. So that means when we calculate individual failure for or probabilities of those week, we need to do the subtraction. So failure, probability of failure in the ith week, P1 is 9%, P2 will be, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so P2 will be, see, at the second week, total failure will be 0.25 or 25%, out of which 9% are completed or failed in the week 1. So in the week 2, 0.25 minus 0.06, that much is the probability of failure in the second week. Up to second week, 25%, but in the second week will be 0.25 minus 0.09. So that becomes 0.16. Similarly, P3 will be 0.49 minus 0.25. So that becomes 0.24 or 24% for third week. Fourth week, 36%, fifth week, 12%, and sixth week, 0.03. So I hope there are no doubt in calculating individual weeks probability of failure. So in the sixth week, 100% is the failure minus previous, that is 0.97. So in the sixth week, the probability is only 3%. Okay. Now, sorry, coming back to this. So there are large number of, I'll go and reading the next line. There are large number of such bulbs which are to be kept in working order. If bulb fails in service, it costs rupees 3 to replace. Okay, so that means अगर एक bulb change करना है आपको, individual replacement is there, it is going to cost you 3 rupees. But if you replace all the bulbs at the same time, 0.7 rupees. Okay, so if we go with group replacement, the charges is 0.7. Okay, so this is obvious thing. Just imagine if you call a electrician, he's going to charge you transportation even if you work with only one bulb. But if you hire him for a complete day and ask him to replace all the bulbs, so 100 bulbs, 1000 bulbs, तो वो क्या होगा, जो उसका जो चार्जेस है वो कम कर देगा. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट फॉर वन बल्ब वाज 100 rupees, and now as we are dealing with 100 bulbs, though that transportation cost will be divided into all 100 bulbs. So now the transportation cost assigned for replacing one bulb will be only 1 rupees. Okay, so that's why the group replacement में the changeover time or replacement cost is less than the individual replacement. Individual replacement वो बंदे को आना पड़ेगा, ऊपर जाके bulb change करना पड़ेगा, so he is going to charge you more in that case. Okay, so in the group replacement, the charges are less, which is 0.7 in this case. Okay, now it is proposed to replace all bulbs at fixed interval. So that means the firm has proposed to go for group replacement policy. Group replacement policy. ठीक है? So whether or not they have burned or not, to continue replacing means group replacement policy. Now first thing, E, what is the best interval between group replacement? Okay, so first we need to calculate number of items failed per week, then उसका cost कितना पड़ेगा, okay, कितना cost लगेगा per week, and if we go with the group replacement, that means अगर 1 week के बाद हमने पूरे के पूरे 1000 bulb replace किए तो how much will be the cost? If we go and replace it after 2 weeks, all 1000 bulbs, what will be the cost, overall average cost? Okay, and based on the data we will decide ki at after which week or after what time interval we need to change the we need to go for all bulbs replacement. Okay, so that is the first thing we need to calculate, when to replace all bulbs. Okay, then next, also establish if the policy as determined by you is superior to the policy of replacing bulbs as and when they fail. That means simple है concept, उन्होंने सिर्फ theoretical लंबा लिया है. Actually we need to compare group replacement policy with the individual replacement policy. अगर ग्रुप नहीं इंडिविजुअल रिप्लेसमेंट पॉलिसी किया तो कितना खर्चा आने वाला है, एंड विच वन इज बेटर, which one is better. And then the C question, at what group replacement price per bulb? Okay, so here it is 0.7 currently, group replacement में 0.7 charges लग रहे. So next question is, at what group replacement price bulb would a policy of strictly individual replacement becomes more preferable or becomes preferable to adapt? So we need to calculate कि भाई ये जो चार्जेस है ये कम करेंगे या फिर ज्यादा करेंगे, वी डोंट नो. एट व्हाट कंडीशन individual policy or individual replacement policy is better than the group replacement policy? Okay, so first we need to find out what could be the best group replacement policy, then we need to compare individual replacement policy with the group replacement policy, and then we need to predict what should be the maximum charge we can afford to go for individual replacement policy. Okay, last thing, they have given us some assumption कि भाई जैसे बल्ब फेल होगा आप उसको चेंज करने वाले हो, even though you are going with group replacement policy. Okay, so let's jump on to the solution part. First we will calculate expected number of failure. Now you know how to do the calculation for this. So at start we are having 1000 units of light bulb. At the end of first week, वो 1000 में से 9% are going to be failed. Then after second week, from that 1000, 16% are going to be failed. But in the previous week we have replaced few bulbs जिन्होंने 1 week complete किया, so 0.9% उसका भी charges probability है fail होने का. So this way we will proceed. We will calculate individual all 6 weeks. Now we are dealing with 6 weeks, so we will calculate number of failure in each week. Okay, so do the calculation and let me know in the chat window. N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6 कितना होगा? So after doing calculation, you are going to get number of replacement in 0th week 1000, first week के में 90, second week 168, third week 269, next 432, 274, and N6 291. Okay, so I may be wrong because 2-3 student got 260. I'll check it later. It may be 291 or 260. Okay. Now next thing we are going to calculate. Okay, so N6 is 260. All of you got 260, I guess. मेरा कुछ calculation में गलती हुआ शायद. So our aim is to calculate group replacement policy कि भाई कब करें ग्रुप रिप्लेसमेंट, कितने वीक के, 1 वीक के बाद, 2 वीक के बाद, 3 वीक के बाद, when it is economical to have a group replacement. ठीक है, and then in the second step we are going to compare it with the individual replacement policy. So first we will calculate, our aim is to find out cost of group replacement per week. ठीक है, so let's do the calculation. If we go with week number 1, total cost of group replacement is this, 1000. So imagine at the end of week 1 we are going to replace all the bulbs. So all the bulbs we are going to replace, that means 1000 bulbs. And if we go with group replacement policy, the charges are only 70 paisa. Okay, plus in the week 1, during this week we know 90 bulbs. In week 1 there is a individual replacement of 90 bulbs. Now for individual bulbs the charges are more, 3 rupees per bulb. Okay, so for week 1 the total cost of group replacement is 970 rupees. 970 rupees, and this is per week or for that week. So average cost will be 970. Okay, now we will look at week number 2. In week number 2, imagine we are implementing group replacement policy after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, we are going to replace all 1000 bulbs. The charges are 0.7 plus. Now this is the end of second week. So in first week 90 bulbs change करने वाले. In second week 168 bulbs are going to be fail. खराब होने वाले 168 bulbs, तो उनको तो change करना है. And the charges for that is 3 rupees. So 90 plus 168 into 3 rupees. So that is the total cost of group replacement if we replace them at the end of second week. Okay, so 1474 rupees लगने वाले, but this 1474 is for 2 weeks, 2 week के लिए. So average will be 1474 divided by 2. So the average cost is 737 rupees. Okay, so similarly we will calculate for week 3. I'll show you again for calculation for week number 3. For week number 3 we are going to replace all 1000 bulbs for 70 rupees per bulb charge, plus in week number 1 90 bulbs are going to be replaced. In week number 2 168 bulbs are going to be failed. In week 3 269 bulbs are going to be replaced. Okay, now for these individual bulbs the charges are 3 rupees. Okay, so if you do the calculation you will obtain the value is equal, cost is equal to 2281 rupees. Now this 2281 rupees are for 3 weeks. Okay, so per week, because we need to compare with per week cost, so per week we need to divide it by 3. So distribute over week 3. So the average cost is 760 rupees. If you do the calculation for remaining 6 weeks, week 4, week 5, week 6, you will observe that the group replacement policy, the cost will go from week 1, it will go in this direction, and then suddenly it will increase. It will increase after some time. So because see the failure is large in the next weeks. So if you do the calculation, ये average cost बढ़ता जाएगा, it will increase. Okay, so based on the data, based on the calculation, we can observe that 737 rupees is the most economical choice for us. Per week charges कितने पड़ रहे हैं? Even though we are going with group replacement policy, the charges are 737 rupees. Okay, so we will tell that the group replacement should be after every 2 weeks. So at the end of 2 weeks, replace all the bulbs. That will be economical for the firm. Okay, so the answer of A is after every 2 weeks. Okay. Next, we will calculate. We need to calculate individual replacement cost so that we can compare it with the group replacement policy. Okay, so for individual, this calculation we have done. For individual replacement policy हम क्या करते हैं? Cost of individual replacement policy is equal to 3 rupees into per week on an average कितने bulbs हम replace करने वाले. Okay, so this average number of bulbs we calculate by total bulbs divided by life of bulb. On an average, what is the life of a bulb? Okay, now this average light bulb we will calculate by multiplying probability into life, probability into weeks. Okay, so average life of bulb will be equal to पहला week failure chances are 9% plus सेकेंड वीक में फेल्योर होने के चांसेस कितने, प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है 16%, थर्ड वीक इंटू 0.24, fourth week into 0.36. This we have already done in the first numerical. Week 5, 5 week probability is 12%, 6 week the probability is 0.03%. So this becomes average life of bulb. If you calculate it, it is 3.35 weeks. So this is the average life of bulb. We are dealing with 1000 bulbs. So on an average, number of failure per week will be 1000 divided by 3.35. So on an average per week, around 300 bulbs or 299 bulbs needs to be changed. So this is average. Now remember, ये average है, ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक week में आप 299 bulbs change कर रहे हो. In the first week, the number will be less. In the second week, third week, the numbers will vary. Okay, but average, these will be replacement 299. So the cost of individual bulb replacement per week 299 bulbs we are going to replace, and they are replaced individually. So the charges for each replacement will be 3 rupees. So cost of individual replacement will be 3 into 299. So that is 897 per week. 897 per week. So this is the cost of individual. एक bulb change करने की cost per week will be 897. But if you compare this with the group replacement, group में कुछ तो भी 737 कुछ तो भी charges लग रहे थे. Those were around 700 and something. And in individual, it is more than that. So you will say कि भाई group replacement policy is better than the individual replacement policy. In individual replacement policy, it is costing more to us compared to group group replacement. Okay. Now this will be the answer of B point. Which one is better? So group replacement is better. Now we need to tell what will be the most economical or up to what charges, that 0.7 is the charge of group replacement, right? After what cost, ये अगर आपने बढ़ाया या आपका जो वेंडर है बल्ब चेंज करने वाला है, अगर इसने चार्जेस ये बढ़ाए, up to what extent it is economical to use group replacement policy, or it will be economical to go for individual one. Okay, so we will calculate that. It's very simple. Cost of individual replacement policy is 897, and we know that cost of group replacement policy, because we have decided to replace all the bulbs after second week. Okay, so after second week we are replacing all 100 units. Current charges are 0.7 plus in the second week 168 replacement, and in first week 90 replacement are done individually for 3 rupees per piece per bulb, and it is distributed over 2 weeks, so divided by 2. So that was our cost of group replacement policy. ठीक है. Now the question is, अगर ये चार्ज हम चेंज कर रहे तो मैक्सिमम कितना होना चाहिए, so that there will be balance कि भाई यहाँ तक गए तो group replacement policy is better, and after that if we go beyond this, the individual replacement policy is better. Okay, so what I'll do, in place of this 0.7 we will change it to x कि भाई x charge किया हमने group replacement में, so what will be that charge. So to balance it out, cost of individual replacement and group replacement we will equate. Instead of 0.7 now we will put x. So do you can calculate this x value. So x value comes around 1 rupees and 2 paise. What it means, if this group replacement policy or the charges for group replacement are more than 1 rupees or 1 rupees 1.02 rupees, तब आप बोलोगे कि भाई इंडिविजुअल रिप्लेसमेंट पॉलिसी बेटर है. अगर the charges of group replacement policy or group replacement is less than rupees 1.02, you will say the group replacement policy is better. Okay, so if group replacement price per bulb goes beyond rupees 1.02, then individual replacement policy is economical. Then and then only the individual replacement policy is better. तब तक group replacement policy is always better. Okay, so this is the end of replacement analysis. Okay, so any doubt? If not, I'll paste link for today's attendance in the chat window. You can put your attendance and leave the session. Thank you, students.